Hi guys, so I got back home and these are the stuff I got. I just unpacked my stuff and I wanted to walk you guys through it. I got smoked catfish. I got tiger nuts. I heard if you blend this with dates, it's amazing. I got stockfish. I got Maggie cubes. I got melon, egusi soup. For egusi rather. I got custard. I love custard, guys. It's so amazing. I got banga soup spice. Delicious. I got ogbono. I got pap. This akamo. Nigerians call it akamo. It's pap. I got some yams. I'll be doing some porridge yams and pounded yam. I'm so excited. I'm super excited. Yeah, the yams pretty look good. $10 each there's nothing we can do. I got Maltex. I miss Maltina, Malta Guinness. I got some brown beans, sweet brown beans. I do not joke with my food, I'm telling you. I got gari, yellow gari for my eba. $27.99. I got some afang, ukazi leaf, afang. Cameroonians call it ero. I can't wait. And I got bitter leaf. Cameroonians call it ndole. I got bitter leaf. Practically for my banga soup. I love bitter leaf in my banga soup. And more of the fish, catfish. And I just had to stock up. So just had to stock up. And there you go, guys. Thank you for watching. See you guys in my next video. I love you. Bye.